Hello guys, welcome to Sanchong, New Taipei, Taiwan, and celebrating the Lantern Festival 2025. Enjoy and have fun! So ayan guys, day off na naman kasi ako, kaya ayan nakapagkala na naman, nakapag-explore. So ayan, Lantern Festival every February magsiselebrate sila ng ganito. So as you can see guys, nakakakita kayo ng mga snakes. It's because it's year of the snake. So ayan guys, makikita kayo ng maraming mga snake dyan. So ayan guys, enjoy the view and the beautiful decorations. Napaka-creative nila guys, sobra nakakatuwa. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. Yung butterfly para siyang lively, gumagalaw. So nakaka-enjoy ang night na to guys. Yeah, ayan, ang ganda-ganda. So keep on watching guys until the end. Ayan, thank you so much for supporting Lisa AC Mix. Love you all guys. Please watch until the end kasi napakaganda ng mga decorations nila dito guys. So hindi lang ang Sanchong ang meron ganito guys. Marami ding place dito sa Taiwan na meron ding ibang decoration like sa Taoyuan. Meron din doon mas maganda. Nakikita ko kasi siya sa sa mga patalastas. Maganda din ang decoration doon. Pero dito din naman guys is maganda din. So ayan, keep on watching and enjoy. Thank you so much. Love you all guys.
这种现在都静态的比较多，以前都比较多。小猪，小猪，猪吗？猪，水漫金山。太多了。慢点，慢点。
So ayan guys, ayan this video is almost done. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at sa simpleng video na na-share ko sa inyo. Ayan. So this is Lisa Mix. Ayan. Thank you for the love and support. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys until the end. I love you all. Bye.